good morning everyone. Good morning classmates. Good morning ma'am. This is my report all about traps and interceptors section 1013 to 1017. So, food waste disposal prohibited. Required or permitted by the administrative authority, no food waste disposal unit shall be connected to or discharged into any grease receptors, interceptors, or grease trap. So, ang ibig sabihin nito is wala daw dapat na food waste disposal na ma-dispose kahit saan kasi ito ay pinagbabawal ng ng authority. Next is grease traps capacity. So these are the table of number of fixtures connected to the required grease trap. So required rate of flow per liters per minute is 76. You must use one fixture in it, and the grease retention capacity or kanyang makakaya na i-handle is 18 it based on kilograms. Next is 95 liters per minute is it needs 23 kilogram and it should have two fixtures connected. So next is three fixtures connected into 132 liters per minute na 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 flow of water. Then the grease retention capacity niya is 32 kilograms. And lastly, for the four fixtures na connected, it can resist 189 liters per minute na water, and it can retain into 45 kilograms na solid waste. Next is this table is all about horizontal distance of trap arms. So item number 1 is trap arm in millimeter, 32 millimeter. Its distance trap to vent is 762, while the 38 mm trap arm is 1067. Other is 51 mm. The distance trap is 1524 mm. 76 trap arm in mm is equal to 1829 distance trap in vent mm. So 102 and larger na trap arm in millimeters is equal to 3048 distance trap in vent. So traps, let's describe traps. Each trap except one of the interceptions or similar device shall be self-cleaning and exposed and readily accessible drone brace tubing trap not less than 17 engage in 1.1 millimeters. So each interceptors must have self-cleaning na dili na nimo i-dispose pa ang mga solid waste na iyang nasala or iyang napilter. No more than one approved slip joint fitting may be used in the outlet side of the trap, and tubing trap shall be installed without listing tubing trap adapters. So dapat na ay mga adapters imong traps or clips para dili siya malaglag if ever na ay solid waste na nakabutang dito. So this is the flow of the retention of the table Japon siya. And this laundries. Laundry equipments that does not have integral strainers shall discharge into an interceptor having a wire basket or similar device to the removable for cleaning. So na siya required basket na nakabutang para makasala siya og solid waste o mga semi-solid waste na waste para dili madiretso sa ato ang sewage system or sa ato ang septic tank. So section 1016 is sand interceptors were required. So wherever the discharge of fixture or drain may contain solids or semi-solids, so as I said earlier, heavier than water, so mas bukat din siya sa tubig na maaaring ikasira ng ating drainage system. So sand interceptors are required wherever the administrative authority seems it advisable to have a sand interceptor to protect our drainage system. So the sand interceptors is para siyang filter or salaan na doon 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 dadaan yung tubig para yung mga semi-solids or solids na particles ay hindi malalagay doon sa doon sa ating drainage system. So the last is 1017 construction and size. Each sand interceptors have its size. So sand interceptors shall be built of brick or concrete para mas tibay siya. So prefabricated coated steel or other watertight material, so kanang dili gid makalapos gani ang ang hugaw para purely water or in short liquid lang ang makasulod sa atong drainage system. So the sand interceptor shall have minimum dimensions of 0.2 meters squared for the net free opening of the inlet section and minimum depth under the invert of outlet pipe of 610 millimeters in diameter. So 610 diameters, 610 millimeter in diameter yung outlet pipe sa pipe. So the outlet section shall be covered by a solid removable cover set flush with a finished floor. And the inlet section shall have an open granting set flush with the finished floor and suitable for the traffic in the area which is it is located. So it must be na eye cover para dili ma dili matarog ang mga particles or solid waste na imong na collect sa filter para dili siya madiretso sa atong drainage system. So that's it. That's all my report.